Come on, buddy.
Yes, sir.
There's probably a trout. He pulled a good bit of line.
And he took it too, I think.
He took all of it, thanks.
Shit.
Alright. We gotta go get the mealworms, but yeah, dude, that was a trout for sure. Cause look at that was right under the ice. All right, that's good to know.
The trout are biting today.
Absolutely, yeah. We just had 3 flags actually. We had one on the shiner right there, probably a pickerel, and then we had 2 on these mealworm ones. So we got these ones set right under the ice.
Yes, sir.
Let's keep going at it.
Look at all them ducks, bro. They circling around.
Oh, all right. Got that motherfucker.
You got that motherfucker.
Got that motherfucker.
Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Pickerel.
Yeah.
Got the pickerel.
Got the pickerel.
That's number 1 for the day, brother. Look at that. Right on the side of the mouth, bro. Let this sucker go. Flipped him over. You got another flag, bro. Moving? Alright. Slow, let the line out. Oh, just pull it, yeah. You got him?
Yep. He's a big one.
Perfect, bro.
Oh.
Keep the tension, bro. Keep the tension.
It's a big one.
Another pickerel.
Holy
That's a big pickerel, bro.
This might be my biggest pickerel, bro.
Damn, bro. Alright, hold on. Let me get the pliers. Joe right here got his biggest pickerel. Here, watch out so you don't get the line tangled, bro.
Yeah.
Just walk away for a little bit. Alright, you're good right there. You snapped off? Got Joe's pickerel right here. Look at that. Let that sucker go. Yeah, so he's gut hooked pretty bad, but we're just going to let him go because it's better to just let them try to get the hook out by themselves than tear it.
He's cold, though.
Yeah.
Dairy.
A little bit of cheese action on here. If you don't know me, I'm super picky, but I mean, all we got is meat and cheese on this sucker, and we got our tortillas, so looking good.
All right, might have a fish on this one then.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see, brother.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, got him.
Good shit. It's big one?
Yeah, he feels pretty nice. Another big pickerel.
That's a bigger one than mine.
Another big pickerel, bro. All right, bet.
Yes, sir. Look at this. Yo.
There we go.
Louis Fisherman. You got him on gut hooked with no
Another
blood on it.
pickerel.
Yes, sir. Now that's a good taco right there. Why does it make that sound, bro? That's actually kind of scary.
You get nervous?
Yeah, is it like cracking as
Yeah,
we
bro.
speak?
Yeah, bro.
Is that because it's expanding or?
That's it, my man. Expansion cracks. It's all safe. Steak's fire. Anything tastes good on the ice, though.
That is fact. Got him.
Bob?
Yep.
Another pickerel. Oh, boy.
Yo, you got dancer. Hey, let me get my phone without. I want to take a video of him dancing. Oh, we got a dancer. We got a dancer. Alright, be free, my little friend. You're an idiot.
Here you go, brother.
You, brother.
don't know. I say we pack up, go to a different spot.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm not trying to catch pickerel all the way.
Let's go.
So you may or may not know this spot just by the scenery of it. It's kind of hard because I was fishing the opposite side of the lake. But this is the spot that I caught those two bass that were the same exact weight. And I don't know, I've seen people fish in this cold before, and all the people were on the other side pretty much. And we just didn't have too much luck, just all the pickerel biting today. But we did get out pretty late in the morning. We got out at like probably 10 o'clock around. But regardless, it was a good day. We caught fish. My buddy Joe had fun. Took him out on the ice for the first time in a while. So, you know, it was a good day, all things considered. But the next spot we tried out did not pan out at all. But, you know, that's what we grind for, you know, just keep getting out there and doing stuff. So, yeah, I haven't been posting too much, been busy with work, and also the weather has been not on point, you know. It's been freaking cold as balls the last couple days. So, we're finally getting some nicer weather and gave us an opportunity to get out. So, hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one.